Welcome to David's Garden Seeds. This morning we're doing a prime rib roast. Last week I did one for Christmas and it didn't come out very good. The cut of meat was not as good as this cut of meat is. Looks like I got HEB for $6 cheaper per pound than what I paid for last week also. It doesn't have near as much fat on it as the other one did. And I'm really looking forward to cooking this piece of meat today. I'm going to start at about 2. I'm going to cook on high for 15 minutes to kind of sear it a little bit. And then I'm going to cook it at 325. And of course, there's all kinds of instructions about how long to cook it at what temperature. So I'm just going to do a 325. We got a thermometer in here. We'll monitor it as we go along. We're looking for internal temperature 130 to 135, I believe. It should take about 2.5 hours to get there. All right, here's our roast, our prime rib. Looking pretty good on the outside. At least if you ask me, it is. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. All right, here's the finished product. Some would say it's a little bloody, some would say it's perfect. I would say probably another 30 minutes. But it's still good. We can throw it in the microwave if it's too bloody for you. But I believe this is really good. It looks really good. All right. Have a happy new year. We're going to have a happy new year in just a few minutes.